क्लाइमेट चेंज ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस देखेंगे। यूएनएफसीसीसी क्या है? यूएन समिट कॉन्फ्रेंस ऑन एनवायरनमेंट एंड डेवलपमेंट यूएनसीईडी held in Rio de Janeiro in June 1992 adopted first multilateral legal instrument on climate change. In 1992, countries joined UNFCCC to cooperatively consider what they could do to limit average global temperature increase and the resulting climate change and to cope with whatever impact were by then inevitable. There are now 195 parties. Particularly the Conference of the Parties, the subsidiary bodies, and the COP Bureau, see Kyoto Protocol. To strengthen the global response to climate change, adopted the Kyoto Protocol. The Kyoto Protocol was adopted in Kyoto, Japan on 11 December 1997. It entered into force on 16 Feb 2005. It commits industrialized countries to stabilize greenhouse gas emissions based on the principle of convention. The convention encourages industrialized countries to stabilize GHG emissions. The protocol commits them to do so. Let's see the targets. Reduction targets for 37 industrialized countries and the European Community in its first commitment period. It only binds developed countries because it recognizes that they are largely responsible for the current high level of GHG emissions in the atmosphere. Now, KP places a heavier burden on developed nations under its central principle that of common but differentiated responsibility. These targets add up an average 5% emission reduction compared to 1990 levels or 5-year period 2008 to 12. तो केपी के अंदर क्या क्या होता है? रिपोर्टिंग एंड वेरिफिकेशन प्रोसीजर होता है, फ्लेक्सिबल मार्केट मैकेनिज्म होते हैं, कंप्लायंस सिस्टम होता है। फ्लेक्सिबल मार्केट मैकेनिज्म. So the flexible market mechanism of the KP based on the trade of emissions permits KP countries bound to target have to meet them largely through domestic action plan to reduce their emission onshore. They can meet part of the targets through 3 market-based mechanisms. They are joint implementation, clean development mechanism, and emission trading. What are the objectives of Kyoto mechanism? Stimulate sustainable development through technology transfer and investment. Help countries with Kyoto commitments to meet their targets by reducing emissions or removing carbon from the atmosphere in other countries in a cost-effective way. Encourage the private sector and developing countries to contribute to emission reduction efforts. What is joint implementation? Allows a country with an emission reduction or limitation commitment under the Kyoto Protocol to earn emission reduction units ERUs from an emission reduction or emission removal project in another Annex B party, each equivalent to 1 ton of CO2, which can be counted towards meeting its Kyoto target. A part of their Kyoto commitment, while the host party benefits from foreign investment in technology transfer. What is clean development mechanism? The clean development mechanism allows a country with an emission reduction or emission limitation commitment under the Kyoto Protocol to implement an emission reduction project in developing countries. Environmental investment and credit scheme of its kind, providing standardized emission offset instrument. Such product can earn sale-based certified emission reduction credit, each equivalent to 1 ton of CO2, which can be counted towards meeting Kyoto targets. Let's see carbon trading. So exchange of emission permits. This exchange may take place within the economy or may take the form of international transactions like emission trading or offset trading. What is emission trading? Carbon credit for Annex 1 country. The protocol has assigned a fixed amount of carbon emission in the agreement to be reduced by the concerned country. The country was permitted to emit the remaining amount. The units are expressed in terms of carbon equivalent. Then offset trading, by a country investing some amount of money in such projects known as carbon projects, which will emit lesser amount of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere.